Hello everyone. We will start our first Python program. It's very small and just one line command. I will click on Open Python and here you will see the Python version, and this is the black screen in the Python shell. The three greater than sign are called prompt. Let's enter some commands at the prompt, beginning with the command print in bracket with double quote hello kids. So make sure to include the double quote, press enter on your keyboard. When finished you are typing the line, if you enter the command correctly you should see something like this. We run the code and this is our output. Hello kids. In this program we have used the built-in print function to print the string hello kids on your screen. Now we will see some another example to print something like my school is the best. Then I will put print my school is the best. Now it will display my school is the best on this screen. So congratulations, you just created your first Python program. The word print is a type of Python command called a function, and it prints out whatever is inside the bracket to the screen. So here you have given the computer instruction to display the words hello kids. So what you will learn in this topic, we simply run with a hello kids application. That program nearly everyone starts with. When you learn Python programming, in the next chapter you will do some more useful things in the Python shell.